How to fix Outlook links not opening in Chrome. And then from here, I am in my Outlook account and then I have the Outlook application open. So for example, I have a hyperlink right here in the Outlook email. And then what happens is that when I click on it, it will automatically open in Microsoft Edge, even though I have Google Chrome as my default browser that is set up. So you can double check that in your default apps. So for example, I can go to search, type in default apps. We can click default apps right here. And then we can type Google Chrome. And then we can see that Google Chrome is my default browser. So if it's not default, you can click set default right here. And then you should see this check right here. But regardless, if I have Google Chrome set up as my default browser, what happens is that when I still click on this link right here in Outlook, it still opens Microsoft Edge instead of Google Chrome. So what I need to do is that I just need to change some setting right here inside of Outlook. So from here, go to File, go to Options, and then you can go to Advanced. From here, you can scroll down and then you should see the options for opening the links right here, which is this one, the File and Browser Preferences. And then as you can see, the option that is set for opening the hyperlinks is set to Microsoft Edge. So as you can see, open hyperlinks from Outlook in, and then the option is set to Microsoft Edge. So just make sure that the setting is set to the default browser so that it will open in Google Chrome. So now I can click OK. And then since we already set up Google Chrome as our default browser, now when we click on the link, it should use Google Chrome to open that. So let's try it. So when I click on the link, it now uses Google Chrome to open the hyperlink. And then that's it. So that is how you can fix that problem. Again, go right here in your advanced options and then make sure that the file and browser preferences, and then make sure that the open hyperlinks from Outlook in is set to default browser so that it will open in Google Chrome or whatever default browser that you are using. And then that is it. So that is how we can fix the Outlook links not opening in Chrome. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.